Good morning, super friends. I just want to give you a little update on finalize this wall. I put a bunch of videos out and I never closed it up. It's been a minute, but we're done with all the construction of it. Just need to make a solution of muriatic acid wash it so it can accept paint. Planted me some palm trees. Those would be nice once they get big. My decorative piece of driftwood I stained and varnished. Put orchids on it. Kind of nice. Going to see the finished wall. A lot of prep work here getting ready for the rainy season. It's been terribly hot. There's some drainage on my downspouts and such. To collect them, let it go through the wall. There's the back wall. Got some new plants getting ready to put in. Got some more palm trees. There's a ladder for checking the roof. Don't walk under a ladder, walk around the ladder. There's a piece of driftwood I found and finished. Put orchids on it. Worked out pretty good. And that's the other side of the wall. I'm not going to put a metal cage on it yet until I need one. I don't like living behind bars. Nice crop over there. If I turn all this into rice here real soon, that'll be something. A bit more landscaping. Let's see if I can get grass to grow here. It's kind of hard. Most of this soil here is volcanic ash from Pinatubo. And it's difficult to get it to grass to take, so maybe bring in some topsoil, finish it out. We'll concrete that pad, re-concrete it, make me a little cabana right there off the back of the garage. Yeah. My dogs are running and playing. Okay. That's about it for the wall, except for painting. So, thanks for watching. Take care, everyone. More again later, maybe. Bye-bye.